Police has cleared us and told us that we can go on with this protest. The assistant regional commander met us and cleared us. Nobody will fight. It's a peaceful protest. Nobody will do that. A minister for social development wants to continue protesting something like this.
You can do it. You can put it there so that the people won't come back. It's
about the interest of the young people who play ball over here. Several young men have played ball over here. Come and put this park here and tell us that what? We are irrational. We mess with the police. They cleared us. Nobody will fight. Nobody will throw any hand. We'll just speak. The West will be heard.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. Thank you for honoring our invitation. I'm sure this is not the first time that we have been here. Last year, when I took over as Minister for Inner City and Zongo Development, I was touring projects that had been started by the previous minister before I came. And then we came here together for me to inspect the works that were going on at that time. And so we are here again today. But the reason we are here is different. Different in the sense that since I got into the ministry, even though the previous minister, the Honorable Boniface Abubakar Sadiq, had started this project, work had started, things were going on. But more specifically, the reason that we are here today is that over the past few weeks, I am sure some of you have seen on social media videos that have been made by some young men purportedly coming from the Madina Zongo community who are alleging on social media pages that they don't want this pitch. That they think that this is not an 11-a-side pitch and that they cannot play second division matches on it because they say that the community has a second division team and they would love the second division team to adopt this place as their home base. And they allege that they can't use it as a home base and therefore it is not fit for their purposes. And they've been circulating this on social media. Now, first of all, that's palpably false. That's not true. As you know by now, this is a FIFA certified pitch. FIFA has, if you want, minimum and maximum ranges, for every pitch that is so certified for, if you want, competitive football matches. And this pitch falls squarely within the FIFA range. The FIFA range has a minimum of 45 by 90 is the minimum. And the maximum is 120 by 90. And now this pitch is 92 by 62.5. So this pitch is a FIFA certified pitch. It qualifies for every kind of match that we want to play on it. Indeed, I don't want to give away something, but our plan is that when this pitch is being inaugurated, the president himself is going to be sitting at the presidential plate, and 2 Premier League matches, I won't mention their names, are going to play on that day to declare this pitch formally open. All of the technical experts in the Ghana Football Association have come and certified that this is it. And that's the reason the Deputy Minister for Sports is here. He's been brought by the minister who has received the report of the GFA Technical Committee. Now, the reason we are doing this is that for political reasons, this country, quite frankly, we have allowed politics to destroy our country. Nobody is motivated anymore by the national interest. People are motivated by their partisan interest. So some young people think that MPP has done this and it is beautiful. But as far as I'm concerned, it's not necessarily MPP data. It is the government of the Republic of Ghana that has done it. Because this park will outlive the NPP. And it may outlive a future NDC and outlive another MPP and outlive another NDC. This is a project for generations. So if you base on the fact that this is being done by the NPP government and it will bring credit to the Honorable Boniface who signed this project anyway. It is his project. You are mistaken. You are destroying the community. And me, as Minister for Inner City and Zongo Development, quite frankly, I am heavily demotivated right now to want to bring any more projects to Madina. Because it beats my imagination. This edifice doesn't exist anywhere in our country. And the sports minister is here. He will tell you there is no AstroTurf that has these facilities anywhere in Ghana. It has a basketball court, multi-purpose place where you can play tennis, lawn tennis. It has a children's playground. It has a five-a-side. It has changing rooms for teams, CCTV cameras. This is of international standard. And the deputy minister was just telling me how in Morocco, pitches like this are being used even for international matches. And Ghana, as he said, is hosting the 2023 Africa Games. And definitely this facility will come in handy. It will be used for international matches and at that time.
Even a side should be able to play on the pitch. They realize the size is too small, so they complain, and I talked to the minister and the MP who brought the project here, and we've had several meetings to see how best the size will be increased. And the second challenge is if the size will not be increased, then at least the minister should see to it that the park can be adopted for 11-a-side, and a Premier Division should be able to play their league matches here, because the minister didn't make this AfroTurf possible only for parties and whatsoever. Football needs to be played here in Madina Zongo. And the minister has assured me he will see the authorities and make sure the place will be adopted so that Premier League matches can be played here. If that is being done, I don't think we will have any challenges in the community.
We are surprised by the words of the Zongo minister. This man is not a minister for the Zongo people. Park where we are saying it on authority. Say Park we saw it 2023. Mark it on the wall. Park went to me about 2023 tournament. I'm saying it also on fact. Say Has and Kotoko can't play the ball on this park. I'm saying it as a fact. Say Minister we are being nice. We are showing emotional intelligence. Say indeed, if we are NDC people and we are complaining. Say Boniface say we are NDC people. That's why we are complaining about the size. What does the size of the pitch got to do with NDC and NPP? As a Zongo minister, you are telling the media, say, you're violent people. That is why we want to do this, we want to do this. Some minister, say he's representing us. We've done everything, say we are NDC. What have we done?